Banana tea is growing in popularity and is becoming especially well known for its ability to promote sleep in addition to many other health promoting benefits. You can simply make your own banana tea at home. First, fill a pot with 500 milliliters of water and bring it to a boil. Slice one large banana and add the banana slices to the boiling water. You can also add the banana peel. Reduce heat and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. Pour into a glass, let cool to your desired temperature, and enjoy. Now, let's discuss the amazing health benefits of banana tea. First, banana tea can help to promote sleep and has been used as a sleep aid for those individuals with sleep issues. This is because it contains sleep-promoting nutrients such as tryptophan, magnesium, and potassium. Tryptophan is an amino acid which studies have shown can help produce both serotonin and melatonin. As well, the good levels of magnesium and potassium have been shown to help improve sleep quality and promote relaxation. Another important health benefit of consuming banana tea is that it contains good levels of antioxidants, which can provide numerous health benefits for our bodies. The antioxidant capacity of banana tea will increase if the peel is also added to the mixture when making it at home. These antioxidants can help to promote the proper functioning of the immune system, reduce free radicals, and prevent certain chronic diseases, among others. It is also helpful in promoting the overall health of our heart and reducing risk factors of heart disease. Banana tea can help to regulate and reduce blood pressure levels, as studies have shown, due to its great levels of potassium and magnesium. Banana tea is also rich in compounds known as catechins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to specifically reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Lastly, in addition to its ability to add nutrition to our diet, consuming banana tea before bed can help to promote relaxation and has calming properties that can help to promote sleep. This allows banana tea to have the potential to reduce symptoms of sleep-related ailments, while also helping us to feel more well-rested and increase energy.